Your activity in school? You're a community helper. Why an army?
Because I want to do an army. That's my choice.
What does an army do?
To fight for the, for the good,
Country.
for the country.
Are you brave?
I can read.
What's this?
What's that?
Rifle?
What is that called?
What's on your head?
A helmet.
Why are you wearing a helmet?
Because to do
Introduce yourself and what are you wearing?
army.
Your name. My name is, and I am
I am an army.
sa Afghanistan. Army. Army number 23. May pocket ka pa dito. Nice. That is where you're going to put your the grenade, the pistol.
This is for the this is for the guns.
You're ready for battle now.
It's about army on our school. I'm just joking.
Mga classmates mo naka-army din or iba?
Senji
Hobby.
and Zane.
See, how about the girl? Or ano sila?
Nurse, bye-bye na.
I must go to school.
Goodbye, soldiers.
Goodbye.
Salute ka. Paano salute?
Goodbye, soldier.